Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C53 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So firstly, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, if you do not have your Google account added to the device, you will have to log in or sign in right now, and then simply tap on the circle which is your account. Now let's tap on My Apps and Games, and something went wrong. So let me do it again. Okay, Manage Apps and Device, and tap on Manage. And as you can see, here we've got the list of all currently installed apps, and here we can check updates available. Just tap on this button. So if you want, you can mark all of them, of course, but if not, you can mark, for example, the one of them or two of them, and then tap on the update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device is downloading the updates, and after that it will immediately and automatically install them. So you basically do not have to do anything more, just wait. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.